Welcome! In front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be connected to the internet, and also you will need to have the Google account copied to your watch so you can use the Google Play Store on it. Once you have the both things, we can continue. And now let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, find the Play Store icon, Google Play Store icon, and tap on it. Play Store, it's here. So let's tap on it. And once the Play Store opens, you should see the home page of the Play Store. And on it you have different categories of apps like featured apps, recommended for you, and stuff like that. You can browse through these categories, find the app you like, but I'm just gonna tap on the search button right here and look for something more specific. So I'm gonna tap right here. Then you can select keyboard or speech. I'm gonna select keyboard and now type in something like maybe calculator. And then tap search. And here we have the list of apps or search result for the calculator. And as you can see, we have quite a list. Now find the app you want to install, tap on it. This will open the information page for the app. And here we have this big install button. But before you tap on it, you can also scroll down to see the screenshots, reviews, and also the amounts of downloads and the basically score. Now, to install the app, tap on the install button. And once the application is done installing, you will see this big open button and you can tap on it to open the application. You can also open the application by opening the menu, then looking for the app on this menu. It should be right here. And you can tap on the icon to open it. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.